Hi, I'm Anna from WTI. This fun belt, as you can tell, super cute. You can use it to style your outfits. My girls were looking for something that would match their outfits or make it stand out. This is a belt to have. This is from the brand TXIN, and it's a double hoop metal. Super fun. Now this is in a silver tone, as you can tell, but there is availability for gold, so whatever your preference is. Now, one other feature that the girls liked, additionally from its cuteness, was that you're able to adjust it accordingly to your waist size. It has enough to where you can adjust it and make your outfit really cute with this fun belt. Now let me show you how my daughter was able to style it with some cute shorts ready for summer. Let's take a look.
It fits nicely around her waist. The material is great, making her outfit so stylish.
What did you guys think? I think she looks super cute and ready to go out. The belt complements her outfit, and it can yours too, whether you're dressing it down or dressing it, with something fancy. This belt can make your outfit stand out. Check it out, guys, and that is my point of view.